Hi everyone, Melissa here. Come on today to redraw a winner for the Peachy Stamps $30 gift certificate giveaway. The other person did not come forth. I gave them 48 hours, but this winner will only have 24 hours because we are trying to get these gift certificates out and we're waiting on that winner. All right, so sorry about the delay, but anyways, this is our winner. Okay, not too shabby chic. You have 24 hours, so make sure you contact me by 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. Otherwise, I'll be drawing another winner. Use that email address or my Instagram up top. Either way, you can contact me, and I will just need your email address, and we'll get that gift certificate out to you for $30 for Peachy Stamps. All right, so sorry about the delay, everyone else. We're waiting on my winner. All right, so thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.